Malware is constantly changing, with old malware disappearing or being updated, and new malware constantly being developed. Recent tracking has shown a new trojan circulating that may be a replacement for an old piece of backdoor malware. The new malware trojan, called NimbleMamba, is suspected to be used by the threat group known as Molerats, who have been rather quiet recently. The group tends to target organizations and governments within the Middle East, which is exactly where NimbleMamba has been observed. In keeping with the standard practices of Molerats, NimbleMamba has also been seen using spear phishing emails to spread the Trojan to its victims. The phishing emails contain links to domains that are hosting the malware and attempt to convince the victims to download and run the malicious files. NimbleMamba is thought to be the replacement for the group's LastConn backdoor and uses geofencing to ensure that the victim is in the target region, as well as using a Dropbox API for data exfiltration and also for command and control operations. Acronis Cyber Protect detects and blocks NimbleMamba and other Trojans before the adversary can get a foothold on your systems.